Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming the basics that actually matter. First, sign in on account. Microsoft. Com to confirm your password and security settings. This rules out credential errors. Next, test your network on the console. Use a wired connection or run the network test. Once done, make sure the Xbox system clock matches your region and install any pending system updates. These steps eliminate the most common login blockers, so you can move to deeper fixes quickly. Now you'll clean the console state to remove corrupted session data. Power cycle the Xbox by holding the power button for 10 seconds, then unplug for 30 seconds. This clears volatile cache. Next, remove your profile under Settings account, restart, then re-add it. This fetches a fresh profile package from Xbox Live. If problems persist, clear persistent storage and reset network settings. These steps force the console to rebuild connection artifacts and often resolve hidden account or DRM conflicts. You're closing out with network tuning and final options. Check your router. Enable UPnP or forward Xbox ports such as UDP 3074 so the console can reach matchmaking services. Then verify your NAT type is open or moderate. Try alternate DNS like 1 to bypass ISP DNS issues. If nothing works, backup saves to the cloud and perform a factory reset as a last resort. Troubleshooting tip. If login still fails,
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.